We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. And now we're excited to share the great news with you. Take a look. We really work extremely hard to provide the best possible service, and we're proud to know that according to our reviews, people appreciate our efforts and agree that we're doing a great job. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you too. Thank you for dropping in today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us soon and let us give you the same amazing service.